Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Grammarly extension to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is Chrome's menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu with additional options related to managing your Chrome extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install thousands of different extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in Grammarly. This will help you quickly locate the official Grammarly extension without having to scroll through countless other extensions. After typing it in, you'll see search results appear below. From the search results, click on the Grammarly extension. Make sure it's the official one from Grammarly Incorporated to ensure you're getting the legitimate version. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page, where you can read more about its features and see user reviews. On the Grammarly extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. This grants Grammarly the necessary permissions to work within your browser and check your writing across different websites. Now, wait a moment while the installation completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, and you'll see a brief notification once the extension has been successfully added to Chrome. The extension will automatically integrate itself into your browser toolbar. Once the installation is done, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see a puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions menu. Click on this icon, and from the list that appears, click on Grammarly. This will open the Grammarly interface directly in your browser. Finally, you'll be prompted to sign up for a Grammarly account if you don't already have one. Click Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You can sign up using your email address or connect through Google or Facebook for faster setup. Once you've completed the sign-up process, Grammarly will be fully activated and ready to help you write better across all your web-based applications. And that's it. You've successfully added Grammarly to Chrome and can now enjoy real-time grammar and spelling suggestions while you type. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.